Sixth graders, this is String in the Blues, and it is a super fun piece. Okay, I'm going to explain the roadmap just very, very quickly to you. You're going to go ahead and begin in measure 1. Go all the way down, play, 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 until it says D, S, all coda. And there's a little double bar line, but it's not really a double bar line, not like the, thick double bar line. It's just a little double bar line. At this point, you're going to go back up to this fancy S. That's DS, the fancy S. You're going to keep playing, and then it, sorry, I just lost my train of thought. And then you're going to hop to the coda down here and play till the end. Okay, let's do that again. Sorry. You're going to start at the beginning. Play, 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 play. Jump back up to the sign. Stop. Go to measure 39. Hop down and end. Okay, there's a few things. Cello and bass. Where you have that note rest, you're going to do a string slap. Super fun. And you'll see this on the video as we do this. Violins and violas, when it says to play behind the bridge, you just play behind the bridge. It's a very annoying sound. Trust me, your family is going to love you. Violins, there's also one new note, and we don't have a violin part, unfortunately, in front of us, but it is the very top, if you have your built-in 5-line staff. It's the very, very, very top note, and this is an F sharp, first finger on the E string. So that's where you're going to play that, and you'll hear it in the video as well. Okay, we're going to turn the time over to Mrs. Silva.
Don't stop the video. Keep it going. Okay.
Sorry.
So, there are some really fun characteristics to jazz music, and String in the Blues is based on jazz music. One of the big characteristics is in jazz music, it's customary to play on weaker beats. So if you have 4 beats in a measure, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you think about it, beat 1 is really, really a strong, emphasized beat. And the other one would be beat 3. So whenever we're counting, we think 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are very strong. But in jazz, we like to break the rules, and we like to emphasize the weaker beats. So instead, you're going to be playing a lot of times on beats 2 and beats 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's really important that you count in this piece. It would be a good idea to clap and count along with the video once before you play. The other characteristic of jazz music is we get to play these really fun bass lines, which is very, very common, especially for bass players. In jazz band, if you go out for jazz band in junior high, you will be playing bass lines all the time, and they're built on blues scales. So there are 3 distinct jazz bass lines that you're going to hear in String in the Blues. The first one starts on the D string, and it goes D, F sharp, A, B. We're going to use a blue pattern C natural, back to B, open A, and then F sharp, and open D. And that might repeat a couple of times. The second blues line starts on the G string, and it's the same finger pattern as the one we just did, but we just move a string over. So open G, F sharp or B, open D, E, F natural blue pattern second finger, E, open D, B natural, and G. And then the last one is probably the trickiest of all of them, and I hope you can see my fingers, because this one jumps around a little bit more than the other 2. So the last one is, it starts on a A first finger, it it skips to an E first finger. You go to C sharp, then open A, F sharp, oh wait, sorry, G, open D, B, and G. Let's do that one again. That one's tricky. Ready? And A, E, C sharp, A, G, D, B, and G. So the sequence goes D pattern again, G pattern, back to D pattern, then that skippy pattern, and then back to D pattern. So if you put the whole sequence together, it'll sound like this, and you can play along. So you will have to probably practice those separately and slowly on your own. Pizzicato first, say the note names out loud, say your finger numbers out loud, but it's really fun once you get it down. Okay, so now we're going to play String in the Blues at a very slow tempo, and we'll do another recording at a faster tempo, but this is the slow tempo. And I'm on viola, and Miss Peterson is on cello.